Entropy is a concept in physics and thermodynamics that refers to the measure of disorder or randomness in a system. It is often associated with the idea of energy dispersal or the tendency of systems to move toward a state of equilibrium. In simple terms, entropy can be understood as the level of chaos or uncertainty within a system. The second law of thermodynamics states that the entropy of a closed system tends to increase over time. This means that, in general, systems evolve towards a state of higher entropy and lower energy gradients. For example, when a hot cup of coffee is left on a table, it eventually cools down to match the temperature of the surrounding environment. The transfer of heat from the coffee to the environment increases the overall entropy of the system. Regarding second question, it is important to note that the concept of everything perishing in the end is more philosophical or metaphysical in nature rather than a strictly scientific one. In the context of the eventual fate of the universe, there are several theories and speculations. One such theory is the concept of heat death or the Big Freeze. According to this theory, as the universe continues to expand, it will gradually cool down and reach a state of maximum entropy. In this scenario, the universe would become a vast, cold, and lifeless place, with no available energy for processes to occur. However, it's worth mentioning that the fate of the universe is still an active area of research, and alternative theories and hypotheses exist. For instance, some theories propose the possibility of a Big Crunch, in which the universe contracts under the influence of gravity, leading to a state of high energy and density. Ultimately, whether everything has to perish in the end is a philosophical question that depends on one's perspective and beliefs. From a scientific standpoint, the eventual fate of the universe is still uncertain, and researchers continue to explore and investigate various possibilities.